Savvy Serena. Today we're doing banana pudding poke cake. You're going to need a yellow cake mix. You're going to need some vanilla wafers. You're going to need some French vanilla or banana cream pudding, 2 boxes. The 3.4 ounce size. You're going to need milk for the pudding and the cake. You're going to need an 8 ounce thing of Cool Whip. And I bought 12 bananas because I'm not sure how many I'm going to need, but whatever's left over, the kids and stuff will eat it, so it's not a big deal. It was about 2 bananas, and it made it about 1.5 cups of mashed potatoes. Mashed bananas. Your cake mix according to your directions on your box. Don't forget your eggs, your oil, and instead of water, you're going to use milk. Once you've beat your cake mix and mixed it thoroughly, you want to then put in your 2 cups of mashed bananas. And then mix that in. For a 9 by 13 pan, whether you're going to do glass or metal, just go by your box direction. Pour it into your pan and bake it according to your package directions. This out of the oven, and I'm going to tell you, it smells amazing. It kind of smells like banana bread. When you pull it out, that's what it smells like. I'm going to let this cool because this is way too hot, so I'm going to let this cool slightly. Okay, so I've let this cool slightly, and I'm going to take a wooden spoon. Some of my wooden spoons ends were kind of on the thin side, but can you see that? That's pretty big. I found the wooden spoon that had the biggest end to it, and now you want to poke holes. And you want to make pretty big holes so your pudding can go down in these holes. And you want to go all the way down to the bottom when you poke. Now you're going to put your 2 packages of pudding in a bowl. And to those 2 packages, you want to put 4 cups of milk. And then you want to whisk it together until there's no more lumps. That together, as you can see, it's still on the thin side. I don't want it to set up yet. And now we're going to pour it into the holes of the poke cake. Spatula, made sure I pressed it all in the hole. Now it's going to go in the fridge for 2 hours and let it set up. A couple of hours and my pudding has set up. So now I am going to slice my banana. I have all the bananas sliced on top. Top of that with Cool Whip. 20 vanilla wafers and put them in a Ziploc bag, and then crush them with the flat side of a mallet. Sprinkle those vanilla wafers on top of your Cool Whip. And that was about 20 wafers. And I don't think I'm going to use all 20 of them, because I kind of want to see the Cool Whip on top. If you like this recipe, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And y'all come back now. You hear?